In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana's Gantt view, 5 minutes. Let's start by getting into Asana. Open your browser, go to the Asana login page, enter your email address, click continue, then enter your password and log in. After you sign in, you'll arrive on the Asana homepage. From here, you can see your recent work and quickly jump into any project or portfolio. Open the project or portfolio you want to visualize on a timeline. Once inside, look for the timeline tab at the top. This is Asana's Gantt style view, where tasks are laid out across a calendar so you can see how work flows over time and how everything connects. To add work directly from this view, use the Add Task button. As soon as you create a task, make sure it has both a start date and a due date. Tasks only appear on the timeline if they have a date range. If a task is missing dates, it won't be lost. It will sit in the Unscheduled Tasks panel on the right. You can review that panel to find any floating work and then add dates so it appears on the timeline. As your plan takes shape, you'll notice lines that connect tasks. Those are dependencies. They show when one task needs to happen before another can begin. A gray line means the dependency is healthy and the schedule makes sense. A red line flags a potential conflict, like when a dependent task is scheduled to start before its prerequisite ends. You can add a dependency by dragging the connector from one taskbar to another, or by opening a task and choosing Add Dependency in the details. If you see a red line, adjust the dates so the sequence flows correctly. Rescheduling is easy in this view. Drag a taskbar left or right to shift dates, or grab its ends to shorten or extend duration. The timeline updates instantly, helping you spot overlaps or gaps. For teams that rely on dependency logic, open timeline options to manage dependency date shifting. This setting controls whether related tasks automatically move when you reschedule their predecessors, helping you keep plans aligned with one quick change. Anytime you need more context, click a task to open its details pane. From there, you can set dates, assignees, dependencies, and add notes or attachments, all without leaving the timeline. That's the core of Asana's Gantt view, a clear, visual way to plan, schedule, and coordinate tasks with your team. Use it to map phases, anticipate bottlenecks, and keep your project on track from start to finish.